families and community. It's Richard Zimmerman, the principal at Marysville-Getchell High School, here with another quick charge. Well, we finished our first week of school, and what a fantastic first week it's been. We had a few firsts this week. We had our first 3-lunch day, and I'm so excited. It has been very successful. What we've been able to do by adding a third lunch is it provides students with more time to eat and less time to stand in line to get their lunch. There's also more space available for them to eat their lunch, so they don't have to hunt around to find a place to sit down and eat their lunch. So that's been fantastic. This week we've also had our first all-school assembly, and in just a moment I'll be showing some scenes from that very first assembly. I'm so proud of our students. They were so well behaved. They really embrace the Charger culture, and you'll see it for your own eyes in just a second. And usually I will spend some time talking about such things as making sure that if you're driving, you arrive at school early enough so you can get into the parking lot without having to stand in a long line up the hill just waiting to get in. I could talk about making sure that for parents, guardians, if you're picking up your students, please make sure that you go to the right area where you're being directed by either security or one of our administrators. But I'm not going to do that. Instead, after we have some scenes from our very first assembly, we'll be interviewing our ASB leadership team. I'm thrilled to be working with them this year. They have a lot of really good ideas, and I am positive that they are going to be able to help in a great way the building up of our Charger culture this year. So let's turn it over to them, and we'll also be seeing some sights from our very first PEP assembly. To start off with, if you could tell us your name and your role in ASB.
My name is James DeLeon, and I'm your ASB president for the 2022-2023 school year.
Hi everyone, my name is Ben Toe, and I'm your ASB vice president.
I'm Maddie Meng, and I'm your secretary.
Hello, I'm Abby Hawkins, and I'm your ASB treasurer.
Fantastic. So why did you want to be in ASB? Why did you want to be a leader in the school?
I guess it really comes down to I really love serving my community, and I just want to make sure I want to have especially students really to leave off on a good note every day after school.
Going into my freshman year, I kind of saw how Getchell was kind of this big, huge family, and so I wanted to continue that by joining ASB and continuing that positive and safe environment for our students and facility.
I joined ASB because, like Ben said, we are one big family, and I wanted to continue that culture and make sure everyone's voices were heard. And then I love planning events and seeing people's smiles after our events, and just continuing on our traditions and furthering our culture.
And going off of kind of what they said, I liked how ASB looked like just like one big family. I kind of saw it on Instagram, and it kind of got me interested. I knew people in the class, and I just wanted to be more involved and get to know everyone on the campus and just help better our community here.
Fantastic, thank you. James, what's your vision for the school year? What goals do you have during the time that you're in office this year?
I guess making sure that students are leaving the school clean and making sure that everything is intact. But not only that, I also want to make sure that students' voice are heard and making sure that everyone here is united as one, because as you may know that there was a void between students and teachers and even our ASB classroom. I guess we as student leaders should give back to the students and making sure that students are doing their part in the community by simply just opening the door for people, saying hi to everyone, just making sure that we have this safer environment again, and also while having that safer environment, also having a family as one.
Make it a great day the Charger way.